Greetings, students. So we're going to work on improving on our Padlet. There's a few patterns I want to point out. Overall, we have some positives here, a lot of good sentences, but there are a few errors that I need to address. So you might have already seen in student view that you might have gotten a 0. And there's a few reasons you might get a 0. Okay, so the way to get full credit is you need to post an image because that's part of the prompt. Okay, it's not post if you want, it tells you to post. And then it asks you to share an item or thing that you value and why. An item, not a person. Okay, so I'll start there. So one of the common errors I'm seeing is students are talking about people. Okay, but that's not what the prompt is asking. The prompt is asking for you to share an item or thing you value. So it has to be an item or a thing. Okay, I'll be flexible with the pets. Caroline talks about her cat. I'll be flexible with the pets, but I don't want anyone to be talking about people because we're going to address humans in a different activity. Okay. The next thing I want to point out is the format, which most students did. I think just Saul and Brittany need to fix their format. Their name is the title, just like everybody else, and then they need to write a proper sentence. Sentences begin with capital letters and they end with periods. So there are actually multiple students who need to check. Many students forgot their periods. And I think that's just because we're maybe new at this activity. Okay, so far, number one, we need a photo. It has to be taken last year or this year. Number two, we need to put our name in the title and have a complete proper sentence follow that. And number three is really just for Angel, Maria Isabel Viviar, and that's it. So the reason I'm pointing them out is you see how it says anonymous here? That means you're not actually logged into Padlet. So we watched a bookmarking video yesterday that showed you how to log into Padlet using your Google account. And that's why your name is not popping up because you didn't follow those steps. So I just need those two students to clear that up and then we're good to go. Based on all the improvements today, I will be updating grades tonight. So again, to get full credit for this activity, you need to follow all those steps. Okay, and we'll be using this Padlet for another activity coming up at the end of the week.